Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
Safe mode disables all third-party apps and runs only system apps for troubleshooting. Use safe mode when your Infinix behaves erratically after installing apps. Safe mode helps identify if a downloaded app causes problems by isolating system functions. Your personal files remain on the phone while apps are disabled, so nothing is deleted. The phone continues to receive notifications from system apps, but not for most downloaded apps. This mode is safe for diagnosis and does not change normal system settings. Restart the device to exit safe mode and reload all apps after a diagnostic session. Press and hold the power button, then tap Restart on the menu that appears. Wait for the device to complete booting and verify that downloaded apps return to normal. If restart fails, power off completely and then turn the phone on normally to force a full reboot. Avoid long presses on volume buttons during boot, which can re-enter safe mode on some models. Uninstall recent apps installed in the last 7 days to find the culprit causing issues. Boot into safe mode, then open settings and uninstall suspect apps one at a time while observing behavior. If removing apps resolves the problem, reboot normally to confirm full functionality. If problems persist, back up your data to Google and to a micro SD card before considering a factory reset. Perform a factory reset only as a last resort because it erases your installed apps and settings.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.